minute. Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already watched this video, you already clicked on this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is done. Coming to you with another hair tutorial. Haven't done one of these in a long time, so I decided to just do these. Everybody know these little Coley Ray braids. They're so freaking cute. So freaking cute. So I'm just going to show y'all how I achieved this look. And before we get into this video, let me tell y'all what I used. So I used 2 packs of Expression Cankalon and 1 pack of Go-Go Curl Junior, because that's all they had. But I mean, it worked out because it was still long enough, but I don't really know what length it was. But yeah, that's all I got. And I got probably some other miscellaneous stuff, and the whole total came up to $25. So this hairstyle costed $25. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all how I'm starting off my hair. It's not blow dried, it is not stretched, it is nothing. I literally just took out my lock like a couple days ago, and I just took out my twist today, and this is how I'm starting off. But I'm not going to blow dry before or stretch it out before, because you don't have to achieve this look. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and as y'all can see, I'm done with most of, well, I'm done braiding with most of it. It's not looking too good. Like, I really don't really like to style like that, but I only got 2 left, and I'm not starting over, and I'm not taking it out, so oh well. This is what the back look like. And I ran out of black hair, and I'm not going back to the beauty supply store, so I'm gonna use blonde for these little 2 pieces, and they should be cute, but if they're not, I don't care. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by brushing my hair, adding some braiding gel, and you know, putting it all around my little section and just making sure it's in there. And then I'm going to start combing it, and this really helps with like coarse hair. Then I'm going to take 3 different pieces of blonde hair. Don't mind the hair, it's old. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair into 3 little sections. Bam, bam. And then I'm going to grab my little first piece of hair and get it ready. Grab my 3 pieces. And grab the first front piece only. Start to add my hair, wrap it around my pinky. Add the hair. And do 1 braid. And then go in and add my second piece of hair.
Oh, girl, put your head up. We can't see.
Then I'm going to braid that, wrap that around. Grab the first piece of hair I added and braid. And then grab the second piece of hair I added and braid. And then I'm just going to add the last piece. And this method helps the braid to be all one size from beginning to end, so it won't be like smaller at the top and then gradually get bigger. Just it's big the whole way down. And I will only use this method for like large braids, like large knotless. But as you can see, I'm just continuing the braid as normal. And then I'm really trying to tuck, but as y'all can see, it wasn't really working. But then when I get to the end, I just put a rubber band on there, a little yellow rubber band, because the hair is blonde. Okay, so for this little part, I'm not gonna really talk because, well, explain how to do it, because it's so freaking hard to explain how to do knotless, but I feel like you can see what I'm doing and like get the hang of it because it's so freaking hard to explain. So yeah, try to like look and see what I'm doing. I tried to like get a better view, but yeah, this is not really a tutorial, but it is a tutorial. I hope y'all get what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to accomplish. But I tried so freaking hard to show y'all what I was doing. Okay, so I'm done braiding and now it's time to cut. Okay, so at the end of the freaking rolling my hair, I figured out, I remember the way that I used to do it to make it stay. So roll it at the end a little like this, and then hold the braid and just turn it, the roller around, and that is going to give a cute curl and keep the end. And okay, I'm done. Now I'm just going to go dip it, and then when I come back I'm going to add the little curly pieces. I feel like it's easier to dip your hair first and then add the curly pieces, because you're not supposed to dip the curly pieces. So that's why I'm doing it this way first, and that's why I didn't add it while I was braiding. So yeah, back, my hair is dipped. I'm not gonna take out the hair rollers yet because I really don't know how the curls turned out. I'm just gonna show y'all how I put the little curly pieces in first. And this is the Free Tress Go-Go Curl 10-inch, I think. All you have to do is get a crochet hook, put it anywhere you want it, and I want it like, I want this one higher, so like this. Take the curl, make sure it's as thick or thin as you want it, make a loop. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. These braids are so freaking cute. I like how you can dress it up, and well, not dress it up, girl it up and like boy it down. I guess like you can be girly in this hairstyle, but you can still be like streetwear, like wear streetwear and don't look so girly and prissy like a princess, you know. I like that. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and recreate this look. Like, this is so cute, and I love how I ran out of the black hair. I had to do this blonde hair because it was so freaking cute. Like, it is so freaking cute. So yeah, stay tuned for my next one and see you in my next one. Bye.